Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menteri jangka sarkar pedang, keberikmi ia ketenat tekstil, ke Smriti Zubin Irani, henne kasni ke arp kendai terik ujemang, kelaput turai yaki kampen roy, belathe ada ke sarkar pedang, belasensa ada ke Seng Bharatiya Janata Party, hapo ke Shatri, jangka National Democratic Alliance. Kani Menteri jangka sarkar pedang, habaya kren berkinong pathai kubor, haka jelang ke beralong, hapo Convention Hall Shillong. Kalau ong baga sarkar NDA hapo ke jelam, jang Narendra Modi kum menteri rangba, do kari, kalau le bon ki kampen roy hakari India hibor koi bat haki jela jong kathan chate la mingi kan thop ru hakani ke jela Meghalaya kalai tho ru bak jingsdang jong sarkar NDA ban paso tho yaki pait ba tang ma sushimti ya ulakam sansar hakari kadai halor ka Swachh Bharat Mission ka ba kathong jong sarkar kalong ban pelong ikari India ka bakhuaj basuba ka Smriti Irani kala ongru bahakini ki saus nem balala na kispat tali ki skim penroy ka sarkar pedang kelawan ra ban kentiu ya kayo kakot bat ban penkelaru ya kejing em jong kipat ba nong song snong hakari India bat hakani ka than chate lamingi jong kari khanang ban pelong ikari India ka bakiyo shaprang.
Today, apart from the farm sector, the agriculture sector, apart from Swachh Bharat, apart from Jan Dhan Yojana, we can proudly say even Mudra Yojana is helping us lay big emphasis on encouraging entrepreneurship. For the first time in the history of our country, a simple citizen under the Mudra Yojana can avail loans from 50,000 rupees up to 10 lakh rupees for self-employment. Under that, we have seen close to over 4 lakh crore rupees given out under the Mudra Yojana scheme. As a woman, I am proud that 70% of the beneficiaries are women, thereby exponentially increasing the capacities of female entrepreneurs in our country. The Prime Minister speaks of a new India where we don't talk only of women's development, but women-led development, where women become the flag bearers of development. One is the Mudra Yojana scheme, as I said. Maternity leave now is enhanced to 26 weeks. In fact, it's one of the highest duration in the world. We are targeting reduction of malnutrition under the Poshan Abhiyan. We are ensuring that under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, the sex ratio at birth has been specially set up. Mudra Yojana never existed during the UPA time. Jan Dhan Yojana, where 31 crore people plus have now been connected with banking system in the country. These are works that were not done, which have been done, now quantified before the public at large, thereby showing that though the UPA right now is limiting itself to rhetoric, the Bharatiya Janata Party is coming with hard facts and numbers to the people. As somebody who represents BJP, will I expect the opposition to be kind? No. But I will expect them to look at the facts before themselves.